Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Colleen Javier, 46 years old, from Lucena City, Philippines. I am a high school graduate and a proud mother of two grown-up daughters. I have a total of 18 years experience as a domestic helper, including 3 years in Hong Kong. Through the years, I become a skilled and experienced in household duties such as cleaning, cooking, baking, laundry, marketing, and especially taking care of the children. I can also follow the recipe and adjust according to my employer preferences. At my age, I am a responsible, patient, trustworthy, and hardworking. Also, I can handle all the tasks required of a domestic helper. If you hired me, I promise to do my job properly and sincerely, and I will make sure to take care of your home and your family. Thank you, and I will look forward to work with you and your family.